Hello everyone. See, this is the Fusion. Once you open new, and it will ask you can create sketch. Choose the appropriate work plane, as an example front. Okay, let's say front view, and we create sketch. Then similar to Inventor, we'll start with rectangle. We draw rectangle, as an example 2 points. Then we will go to dimension. Okay, then we will go to dimensions. This is dimension, and we'll add dimension similar to Autodesk Inventor. The total length 127, and you can click dimension from the middle to the end, 127 over 2, and then the total height is 38. Then for the bottom you can add constraint, make this line on the center, that's it, coincident constraint, and then you can add the sketches. Okay, you can add this cut 9 by 11, 9 by 11, so you can add 2 rectangles from each side and add the necessary dimension. Okay, from both sides. As you can see, 11 by 9, and then after that we will add the fillet. The radius is 29, 2 by 29 from each side. So from here to here it's 29, and from the other side also 29. Okay, you can do the necessary trims. If you can't do trim, you can do a split, similar to the Inventor. Okay, this error, that means you lose the dimension or the constraint, so you have to add dimension or constraint. So we will add dimension and the constraint. So this is 38. Okay, that's it for now. After you finish the sketch, you have to click on finish sketch and extrude. As I said, very similar to Inventor, and you have to specify the value that you need for the extrusion. Okay, so we need 58. You can choose, you want it middle, you want it one side. I would prefer to divide the value over 2. Okay, so here we have our 3D model. Now we will make this one 11 by 11, this groove, the cut in the middle. We will draw rectangle. It's not important, any dimension, we will add the dimension later. Okay, and then from the side we will add 11, so this is 11, and from the other side also the same, 11. Okay, that's it. Finish. We need to make extrude for the middle part. Okay, this one, and this one. Extrude down, we flip the direction, and we will make it cut in this time. Okay, see the option, we change it to cut, move it down, and then as you can see here, the value is -11. Okay, finish. Then we get this shape. Okay, we will add, now we'll add the slots, 2 slots we have, 14, 19, we have given dimension, arc, rectangle, slot. Okay, the first one. Okay, we'll draw the slot. We choose the dimension 19. Okay, and we choose the depth 13. Okay, now we'll add dimension because we want it to be from one side 14. Okay, this dimension already given. We need it from this edge to the center. This is 19. Okay, and we need it from the side, which is 14. So after we finish 19, from this edge to this edge 14. Okay, now we can create another slot, or we just can mirror this by adding another line, so we can make mirror around it. Okay, we'll search for the mirror command. It's not on the modify, it is on the create tool. Okay, so mirror, we choose all this profile, select mirror line, this mirror line. Okay, so now we have two of them. Okay, so after that we will do the same, stop, finish, sketch, and we'll do extrude. This one I want it to be cut, and the distance is other side, and I want it to be all the way through, so I can choose from the distance all the way through, or I can specify value if I need, but through all is better. Okay, so now I added the cut, so here is the part. Okay, yes, it's complete. Round 3, I don't prefer to add round. You can add it at the corner here, round 3 all around, but I don't prefer to add it because sometimes this fillet will make it misleading in your drawing. When you are making engineering drawing, this fillet will cause some problems. Okay, but if you want, you can add them as you wish. Go to drawing, from design, if you are using metric, keep it as millimeter. From sketch, A3, and here we go. We have the front view. The scale is, we can make it 1, we can increase it more, 1.5, make it less. Okay, so this is our front view. I can choose it shaded, I can choose it hidden, or visible edge only without hidden. So here is the front view. Then projected from the front, I can project top, right side. Okay, then I will project it to isometric view. Okay, I will go to isometric view. I can choose from here the view that I like. And the size that I want. You can make it shaded so you can see the colors if you wish. And here we go. Click on the square in the middle, then you can move the part, but you have to be careful because sometimes it go away. That's it. Now we can add dimensions from the tabs. You can see in the top menu, you can see dimensions. We can add dimensions. Similar to inventor, if you draw everything correctly, the dimension, you don't need to edit or modify anything, the dimension automatic will be generated. So we don't need this is the, yes, this is the dimension. We can add now the dimension. Okay, as you can see here, we added the dimension, but the font of the dimensions are small. We can increase the font. I will show you how to increase the font. You can add radius dimension. This is just a fast overview about the dimensions. I just want to show you how to add dimensions correct way using the fusion. Okay, so here is the fillet. If you want to increase the size of the dimension, go down, oh, not this menu, this menu, and go to text height. This is if you want to change the font. Here's the text height, and change it as an example to 5. See, now it's better.